iChapter Private Limited has been a pool of resources for interior designer ideas since 2008, with close to 1,300 completed projects. We pride ourselves on delivering unique individual designs that reflect the character and personality of each homeowner. Our key strengths include communicating clearly to clients to ensure that their expectations are met, and even fine-tuned to their specific needs and preferences. Always employing advanced technology, our team of 15 committed and highly talented staff and designers strive toward the perfection of the client's ideas within a working budget. We use only the best quality materials from established brands that promise top-grade quality. Image, innovation, idealistic, and ideas are the 4 tenets that would sum up the design sensibility of our consultancy firm.
We value that every customer bring and entrust their dream home to us. So, a home is the most important place, besides our heart. So, we will use our heart, yes, to really design a unique home for them, a unique dream home that we believe that every house entrusted to us is unique. And with iChapter, we also believe that every dream home, we made it possible and affordable for them. Yeah, and that is our philosophy.
Make an appointment to visit iChapter's showroom at 63B Queen Street, Bogus Village, for your most catered interior design experience yet.